All right, children, a very good morning. Welcome to your class once again. Let's join our hands and get ready for the prayer. Close your eyes, all of you. Look in front. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. All right, welcome to class, children. I hope you are ready with your English language books. Now, you don't need to open the page just now. I will tell you when to open the books. Just now, fold your hands, sit straight, and listen to what I'm telling you. Sit straight, all of you. Yes. Now, today we are going to do a new topic in English that is called describing words. Describe मतलब किसी चीज के बारे में बताना. Now, describing words, they are going to describe the nouns, the naming words. जो words nouns को या naming word को describe करते हैं, they are called describing words. Words that describe naming words are called describing words. For example, you have all seen the picture of a giraffe. Yes, giraffe is very tall. Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up.
Yes.
Okay, giraffe is very tall. So the word tall is telling us about the giraffe. Giraffe is your naming word, noun. And tall is the describing word. For example, I say elephant. You know elephant? All of you have seen an elephant. That's a naming word. Now, elephant is also very huge, children. It's a very huge animal. Huge means big, बड़ा, बहुत बड़ा animal होता है elephant ना? Yes or no? Give me a thumbs up. So, you've seen an elephant, all of you? Myra, you don't need to open your book just now, child. Fold your hands straight and listen. So, huge is the describing word and elephant is the naming word. Myra, since you have just joined, let me tell you, we are doing describing words in English language today. A new topic, alright? And for the others who have just joined, we are doing describing words. Describing words are the words that describe the naming words. Naming words के बारे में जो हमें कुछ और बताते हैं, they tell us something more about the naming words. They are called describing words. For example, tall giraffe, huge elephant. Alright, beautiful flower. You all have seen flowers. And we say, when you look at a flower, you say, wow, what a beautiful flower. So, beautiful is the describing word and flower will be the naming word. Now, you can come to your book. Open your books to page number 22. Open your books to page 22. Page 22. Okay, now look at the beautiful colorful pictures given there. You have the nice colorful pictures there. Page number 22. Page number 22, look at the first picture. It says tall giraffe. Can you all see the picture? Open your mouth and read. I can see your lip movement. Tall giraffe. Come to the next picture. It says colorful rainbow. colorful rainbow. Next picture, pretty dress. Pretty dress. Children, open your mouth. I want to see your lips moving. Next, brave soldier. Brave soldier. Then the next one, huge elephant. Huge elephant. Next, delicious cake. Delicious cake. Now, in all these pictures and all these words that you're seeing over here, you have some words that are highlighted, that are written with a different color. Tall, colorful, pretty, brave, huge, delicious. Can you see they are written with a different color, purple color? Yes? Nod your head if you can see that. Okay, right. So these words that are highlighted, children, they are called the describing words. वो हमें naming word के बारे में कुछ बता रहे हैं. First में tall giraffe. Giraffe कैसा है? Tall है. Second picture, rainbow कैसा है? Colorful है. So colorful is the describing word. Next, pretty dress. Dress कैसी है? Pretty है. Next, brave soldier. Soldier is brave. That's a describing word. Next, huge elephant. Elephant कैसा है? Huge है. Cake, delicious cake. Delicious means tasty. Right? So these are called describing words. Now come to the definition that is given over there in the green box. Let's read that. Words that describe naming words are called describing words. I'm reading it once again. Pay attention. Words that describe naming words are called describing words. Now, you have an exercise given here, children. You have an exercise given here. Write a suitable describing word from the box given below for each of these pictures. You have the beautiful pictures given there, and you have to write one describing word from the box in front of those words. Now, before I begin that, all of you sit straight. Sit straight. And in your mind, think of a sentence. Think of a sentence or think of just one describing word along with a naming word. जैसे अभी हमने पढ़ा tall giraffe, colorful rainbow, pretty dress. इसी तरह से आप एक नेमिंग वर्ड के साथ एक डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड लगा के अपने माइंड में सोचिए. Then I will ask you. When you are ready, just give me a thumbs up. When you are ready with the word. Okay, Ahmad is ready. Ahmad, come on, give me the word.
Page number.
Ahmad, नेमिंग वर्ड के आगे एक डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड लगा के बताइए. कोई भी एक नेमिंग वर्ड.
Good girl.
Good girl. Okay, that's nice. Okay, anyone else who's ready? Yes, Arav? Yes, Arav, you can unmute yourself and answer. Arav, I couldn't get it. Arav? I couldn't get you, Arav. Please come again. Okay. Okay, Aiza. Aiza. Yes, Aiza. Yes, give me a this in describing word along with a naming word. Come again.
Green grass.
Green grass. Okay, green is describing the grass. Very good. Who else is ready? Anyone else? Okay, now you listen to the examples. For example, green grass, red tomato. These colors are describing the naming words. These colors are describing the naming words. All right? Then beautiful girl. Then you can have a tall building. Tall building. Beautiful butterfly. Very good. Beautiful butterfly.
Monkey.
Small child. Okay, then you
Small
can
cat. Angry dog. Small caterpillar.
small caterpillar. Yes, very good. So you understood. That's nice. Now let's do the exercise that's given on page number 22. Get your pencils
Man.
ready.
Man.
Yes,
I'm
Sidra.
angry.
Yes,
One
Sidra.
fat cat.
Fat.
Banana. One fat cat.
Fat toad. Okay, right.
Man. Angry dog.
Angry dog. Okay, come on now. Let's do the exercise. You all are ready with your pencil. Put today's date there, children. Very good. Put today's date. Today is 31/8.
Memory ball.
Okay. Now let's read the words that are given in the yellow box first. I'm reading it, children. Listen carefully. Fast, black, 5, juicy, red, naughty, happy, angry, fat, old. I'm reading those words. Once again, listen very carefully. Fat, black, 5, juicy, red, naughty, happy, angry, fat, old. Now you have to look at the pictures. Pictures को देखकर आपको समझना है कि pictures में हमें क्या बताया जा रहा है, उस naming word के बारे में कौन सा describing word हम वहां पर लिखेंगे. First picture you can see the dog. He is seeming to be very angry. He is barking away. So we will write over there angry. Write over there ANGRY. ANGRY. Angry dog. An angry dog. Next picture, you can see a cat is there and the cat seems to be very fat. So we'll write there FAT, fat. A fat cat. A fat cat. Is that right? Next picture, you have a tomato. And tomato is red. So we'll write there red. A red tomato. R-E-D, red. Now come to page number 23. The next picture, number 4. There's a puppy over there and the puppy seems to be very happy. So we'll write the word there happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. The next picture, you have a clown there. And the clown is doing all funny things. So the clown seems to be naughty. Let's write there naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y, naughty. A naughty clown. Next picture, there's a metro train there. So the train moves very fast. F-A-S-T, fast. F-A-S-T, fast. Archit, don't switch on your mic every time. माइक को ऑन मत करो बार बार बेटे. Next picture, number 7, you have a crow there. So crow is black in color. The describing word black will come there. B-L-A-C-K, black.
Excuse me,
B-L-A, yes.
6 नंबर पे क्या था?
नंबर 6 में क्या है? पिक्चर बताइए, पहले देखिए।
मेट्रो।
मेट्रो ट्रेन कैसे चलती है? बहुत तेज चलती है? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so we will write there fast. F-A-S-T, fast. Okay, children, next, number 8. You can see the apples, they are looking very juicy. So we'll write there juicy. J-U-I-C-Y, juicy.
Ma'am, 5 apples.
Next,
मैम juicy नहीं है. Juicy नहीं है.
apples are juicy.
5 apples.
एप्पल 5 है।
मैम apple 5
Okay, just a second. There are 5 apples, right? 5 apples, right there?
juicy कहाँ लिखा है इसमें?
5
Thank you, ma'am.
F-I-V-E, 5 apples.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And children, let me tell you, there are 10 words and 9 sentences. वहां पर जूसी भी दिया है और 5 भी दिया है, तो हम दोनों में से कोई भी एक वर्ड यूज करते हैं. बोथ विल बी करेक्ट. एप्पल्स आर जूसी ऑल्सो, नो? एप्पल्स जब
बुक में नहीं
बाइट
दिया।
करते हैं,
बुक में नहीं दिया है. मैम लिखा है.
तो मैम बुक में नहीं है।
मैम बुक में नहीं है.
juicy word is not given there.
नो मैम।
Okay, children, then you write 5 because I have in my book. I have it in my book. No problem, you write 5.
ओके मैम।
मैम मेरे बुक में जो लिखा है.
Okay, the last word, last one, number 9, you can see an old man. Right over there, O-L-D, old. O-L-D, old. Now these describing words, this exercise you have to learn. So what are you going to write over there? Learn. L-E-A-R-N, learn. Now see the note that is given there. Describing words tell us the shape, size, number or color of the naming words. नेमिंग वर्ड्स के बारे में जो डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स हम यूज कर सकते हैं वो हमें शेप बताते हैं, साइज बताते हैं, कलर बताते हैं, नंबर बताते हैं. अभी हमने ऊपर के सेंटेंसेस में देखा ना. नाउ they also tell us what people, animal, places and things are like. वो हमें उसके बारे में और बताते हैं, डिस्क्राइब करते हैं. Now the next exercise that is given here, exercise B. Look in your books, children. Circle the describing words in these sentences. आपको describing word पर circle करना है. Underline the naming words they describe. ये डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स जिस नेमिंग वर्ड के बारे में बता रहे हैं, जिसको वो डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं, उस नेमिंग वर्ड को आपको अंडरलाइन करना है. सो पे अटेंशन, डू इट टुगेदर विथ मी, बी वेरी केयरफुल. नंबर 1, देयर वर रेड रोजेस इन द गार्डन. There were red roses in the garden. Now the first sentence has been done for you. Red is the describing word, roses is the naming word. So red has been circled और naming word को underline करा हुआ है, roses. Now come to number 2. The tiny ant went up the wall. Tiny ant. Tiny and ant. Tiny is the describing word, children. उस पे circle करो. Tiny. Circle that. Ant is the naming word. Underline that. Come to the next one. Ria washed her dirty hands.
मैम नंबर 2 क्या रहेगा?
नंबर 2 में टाइनी को सर्कल करेंगे, एंट को अंडरलाइन करेंगे. टाइनी डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड है आपका और एंट जो है नेमिंग वर्ड है. नंबर 3, रिया वॉश्ड हर डर्टी हैंड्स. रिया ने अपने कैसे हाथ धोए? डर्टी. Dirty is the describing word. So put a circle on dirty, D-I-R-T-Y, and underline hands, H-A-N-D-S. Hands को describe कर रहा है dirty. Next sentence. I wore a new dress. मैंने नया ड्रेस पहना. New is the describing word. Circle that. N-E-W, new को circle करिए. D-R-E-S-S, dress को underline करिए. That is a naming word. Next sentence. The Qutub Minar is a tall building. Tall is the describing word. Circle that. T-A-L-L. And building, B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Underline that. It's a naming word. Shanawar, do your work. Next sentence. My friend is a clever girl. Circle clever, C-L-E-V-E-R. Clever means होशियार. Clever, circle that. It's a describing word. And then girl, G-I-R-L. Underline that. Next sentence. There is a beautiful house on the hill. Beautiful is the describing word. Circle that. House is the naming word. Underline that. Next. Those are juicy oranges. So, juicy you will circle. Oranges you will underline. Next sentence. That is an angry dog. Now this you know. Circle किस पर लगेगा? Describing word. Angry. Yes. Circle angry and dog you underline. Very good. I can see your lip movement, children. That's nice. And the last one. I got a lovely dress from the market yesterday. Lovely. L-O-V-E-L-Y. That is the describing word. L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. Circle that. And dress, D-R-E-S-S, that is the naming word. Underline it. Put learn on this exercise, children. L-E-A-R-N, learn. And today's date on this page. Now remember, डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स को हम एडजेक्टिव्स के नाम से भी जानते हैं. डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स आर ऑल्सो नोन एज एडजेक्टिव्स.
मैम कॉल पर अंडरलाइन करना है.
विच नंबर आर यू आस्किंग?
2.
Number 2. The tiny ant. Tiny is the describing word. You circle that and you underline ant.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. So children, for today you will revise both the pages very nicely. Okay? And now your English class is over. We'll meet again in the next period. Thank you.